people getting open? Cause you're joking! Hey everyone, so I'm beginning my temple rebuild right now. So I kind of forgot to record, but see, my name is Big T CDH or whatever. These are my prospects. First place for their Brandon Cook. First for Matt Subert. Second for Jay Robbins. First for Tim Good. First for Bingham. Second for... Oh my gosh, bro. I did not know I was losing by that much. Then we got C. Cummins. I'm trying to get in the lead there. I scheduled a visit for him. Week 5 Army. I scheduled someone else. This guy, Jay Robbins. Week 3 it's Carr. Well, this is current Temple team, and I'm taking on the ranked Oklahoma, but we are at home, so I'm not that good at the game, so. But that doesn't mean I'm going like 15-0. Well, we'll have to see if I play all the games. Okay. I was trying to touch back, but it was just too late. Alright, Forrest Brock's first game. I don't know how good the halfback is. First play. I guess I'll take 2 yards. This play is insane. Yeah, I'm just gonna run it. I mean, it's insane. Block for me. Nice, that's nice. Huge game right there. How am I getting coach trust if I am the coach? Alright, first pass. Oh, bro, I didn't see that open, man. I didn't see it until it was too late. Alright, quick handoff, and I act.
This team thinks this kid has a real bright future. It's amazing. He's only a true freshman.
I mean, I ran right into him, but I mean, I was just trying. There's one hole, and he dropped it. And they got a touchback on it. What am I talking? They got a field goal. I'm just gonna play offense, which might mean we're gonna get blown out, but that's what it is. RB's gonna be wide. Maybe not wide, but he wasn't wide open at all. But you're joking. I did not think that was going to be covered. And we're down 10. It's a rebuild. Okay. I should probably just run touch pass every time, but
that's a really nice play. It's impressive. When it's first down and the defense thinks you might be running the football, you still can line up, get some movement at the point of attack, and find a little place for your line. Good job.
Don't worry, I won't run this play every 4 seconds, but
that wasn't a big, huge play, and everybody's not
down 10, just trying to.
Those are the plays that in the fourth quarter matter a lot. Again, making you tackle my back, making you feel.
I don't think I've gotten any yards passing, except for the touchdown. Are people getting open? Cause you're joking. It's the first quarter, bro.
Great job in coverage. Obviously, you got to play run first as a linebacker.
Yeah, and this is on Thank goodness, finally. We got something done. Alright, we're rushing. Somebody play the dog. Alright, well, I can't change it, so looks like that's the wrong one. Okay. Okay. We have 2 more first downs in them, and we're losing by 17.
Dominated this first quarter as indicated by the stats.
Alright, I'm running screen here.
This could be a pivotal moment in this game as we open the second period and they try to find a way
He just read it well.
Finally, this offense starting to show a little juice. They've got
I'm just gonna run it, trying to make it easier for it down.
He finds his man. He is stopped behind the line of
Holy
scrimmage.
moly, my offensive line is not doing anything.
Running back set up in the pistol.
The O-line is not doing any favors right now. You gotta punch this in. Alright, well, note to self, this guy is... You know, let's just try it.
All you're trying to do is create negative.
Oh, I shouldn't even tried, bro. I think I'd rather go for it on 4th and 20 than try a 30-yard field goal in this game. Oh, we got to stop, right? Alright, I was cooking in the passing game, but I stopped, so just trying to get that back in sync. Oh my gosh, I had like 3 seconds just. I just have 3 seconds. See if we can get the pass protection. Just protect me. Let's go. What the heck? Why does it do this, bro? Alright, well, we're running the same again. Can't.
Those guys that are willing to put their body on the line, and he does it right here, man. Just lays out that ball's
Alright, these fake snaps are not pulling them.
Making that play, laying out, keeping the football from touching the turf. Great concentration, great effort.
Alright, Forrest Brock is actually pretty good. Cool. Wide open. First and goal, boys. But you are not talking
Reese, you and I were talking about this before the game. How is this defense going to be able to deal with all the speed they have offensively?
Just kind of further out of the way, man.
And Jesse, now their head's spinning just a little bit. Give up a big chunk.
Try RPO here. I want to keep passing because that's what we're working. I have no idea if this is going to work. Well, I might as well just throw it. Let's just run a simple step.
A lot of time to get to the quarterback, man. They've got speed all over the place. They hit him so quickly.
Oh my gosh, man! Can you block? Alright, this shouldn't be doing long.
From the gun, wants to pass. Quarterback feeling the
Alright,
pressure and down he goes at the 20.
He has points.
And for the second time tonight, they'll trot out the field goal kicker. Between the uprights, it's good.
Oh, alright, well, defense stopped that again. Yo, why is defense kind of cooking? Yeah. I feel like we're going to take a sack here. I'm running inside zone. But, see? We literally lost a yard. I'm not running it again from here. But what is this camera? I guess we're not at the full pace, but...
They bring him down, and he's going to lose a yard on that one. Didn't get much done on that first play of the drive. It's 2nd and 11.
Big ass horse move. I was even looking at the time.
Timeout there, perhaps a little confusion about what call they were in. In their vision of that
you're gonna get turbo on. We do still have some time.
Get some more pressure on the quarterback or disrupt their timing and their rhythm. I can't give
Kind of
these
hoping
big
B cooks him.
plays.
Nope, the only thing getting cooked is my offensive line.
Or do something a little bit different.
Looking for a man. It's Brock. Coming.
Now it's running stick again.
And it pays off. The sack at the 20.
So much room.
Tempo, no huddle offense. Second down.
I should have fumbled, or I should have slid. I'm gonna take a timeout.
He's gonna run it. At the 35.
Cause I kind of want to run the jet pass here. See if this works for me.
There's a timeout called as this offense tries to find a way to draw a little closer.
How is
With
it?
jet sweep pass.
Oh, sure. I guess we're just running this again.
Wrap up from the junior. Tempo lines up quick.
Block for me. Nice, this time. Out of bounds.
Motion from the offense. Receiver on the move gets the touch pass. Picks up the
Running
first
slants
down.
again.
It's so hard for a defense to have to stop plays like that because it really forces
What a throw.
snap motion. Defense doesn't know if he's just running across the field and he's going to run a route, he's going to block, or if he
We got out of bounds there?
that time he was able to outflank the defense and hurt them to get that first down.
And now a chance not only to cut into the lead, play it just right, and maybe
I
the
almost got
team
intercepted
doesn't
right there.
get a chance to answer. Looking to throw. Now adjusting. Just about picked
I
off
probably
in
should
the
have
end
just
zone,
at
and
least
that
tried to
one
run it in.
stumped in his scoring threat. Instead, it'll be second down. On
Man,
the
that's
double.
great defense. Break on the football. Make sure they don't get the touchdown, but those are the opportunities you have to just
I'm gonna try to get one more point in here.
make the big play, stop the bleeding.
I can't go all this way just for field goal.
Really shift that momentum back to your offense.
Reacted well to the tip, but just
Literally the wrong. I meant to throw at the RB, but
the turnover, it'll be third down. The pass is incomplete, and 1 second is left. And as the first half draws near to a close, here comes the field goal unit. From the left hash,
did
this one should
did
be
helmet
much
say
trouble.
eat?
And it's right
I just
down
noticed
the
that.
ball. They'll trot off to the line.
Oh, okay.
They'll throw it on first down. He makes a connection. And a 9-yard gain on first down leaves him with second and short.
That's a good job by the drag route there, understanding its zone coverage. So instead of continuing to
Ooh,
run
it was a
he
nasty juke.
settles down into an open spot, making it easy for his quarterback.
Quarterback quick pass to the receiver. Jukes his way for more. And he gets it up to the 36. It'll be a first down.
B.
Hard-earned yards, man. You gotta get these first downs any way you can. Sometimes it's not gonna be easy.
I don't know
You
what-
can't
I was
do
just
it
trying to get him off me.
handing it off. This offense is gonna have to be creative. Football's a game of inches, and you just gotta find the angles to give yourself an advantage. That
The
creative
hitch might be open.
That was sort of like a shooter in basketball, just needing to see one go through the net.
Yeah,
Isn't
it's
it,
covered
David?
well.
Just get a completion to your guy and pick up some yards.
Build some
Okay,
confidence
okay.
as your confidence throwing the ball over the middle of the field.
I'm not gonna say I'm doing good because then after that I'm just gonna throw it in the section.
Make something positive happen. The running back does his job, so maybe this sparks a little something in the quarterback.
How did I try to run that up there? I should have just waited. Actually, wide open, man.
Looking to throw, it's Brock.
I just realized why I was getting the same plays.
Time running
It's because I
out.
had the recents open.
Down at the 34.
And you could easily argue the biggest reason this team is trailing
5
here in the
sacks is
second
crazy,
half because
bro.
they have
Just
not
gonna
been able to protect
down.
their quarterback tonight. They've
I
already
meant to
given
like
up
run.
5
I guess you have to.
sacks in the game. And you just
Why
saw
we're
another one
tempoing
right
is
there.
beyond
This
me, but
offensive line has
okay.
had problems all night.
Final stick.
Quickly out to the tight end. They bring him down, but a solid pickup to put them in position to pick up a first down. Look, you can't take away everything, right? So you give them that and rally and make a solid tackle.
Yeah, and a lot of times in zone,
I guess stick.
you get all the eyes on the
I suppose tempo all the time.
You could tell they had keys on the tight
Truck.
end. He wasn't going anywhere after
Alright,
the
6
ball.
yards.
Wants to throw on first down.
Alright, GL, fork, zig.
That completion will take it close to the 5-yard line. They'll mark it at the 6. On the
Touchdown, baby.
rhythm throw there and really good use of the tight end.
Yeah, good use of the big fella. I mean, go through your progressions.
Snagged in the end zone.
Why did... I guess we did go for 2, and for some reason I didn't. Now it's a 12-point game, when it could be a 10. Why? There was nothing else open, I'm gonna be honest.
Still looking on the move. He's gonna
I'm just gonna keep the air raid going.
for the big play. After the
Why I'm throwing these is beyond me. I don't know how I'm throwing.
couldn't connect on first down. Now back to the air. This time it's complete.
It's better than a good deep pass. But
Minimal gain there. Still a bit short of the first down.
Well, offensively, they knew they were going to have some matchups they could take advantage of in this one. And all of a sudden, this quarterback
there we
has
go.
300 yards passing in the game. Defensively, David, he has got them on their heels.
And he's been showing you a little bit of everything. He can throw it all over the field to all different receivers, to his tight ends, to his running backs. Really has the ability to spread it around. Now over 300 yards. Still some time left, and he can put up
Truck in
even
first
bigger
down.
numbers. And heck, go chase some awards, man. Get some postseason awards. Get an All-American. Just put up a day.
Man, my controller probably good one.
He makes the stop at the 33, but 10 yards on that play.
Why did I throw that?
First down. This Temple offense
I just-
putting together a nice drive.
Okay.
Feeling some heat. And he throws another
Man, I should have just...
third of the night.
I saw the pressure. I don't know what I saw. So.
He's at the 20. Punch.
I
A great return for the touchdown. Any return for a touchdown is a great one to a
I've
defense.
come back from worse. This O-line, bro.
Use the play fake. Now to throw. And the freshman will chalk up a sack.
Man, I think this quarterback needs to take his offensive line out for dinners more often because they're not protecting him.
Is this the best
Sometimes it doesn't even look like
D-line
they're trying.
in college football
That
history?
was the sixth
What's my O-line that bad?
for this defense.
Nowhere close on that one as he got
You're joking.
trying to deliver the football, and now they face third down.
Literally,
Looking to
there's-
throw, and he needs a bunch.
the way to beat me, to beat this team right now,
Closes. He
is
got
literally
it.
just a blitz.
Trying to deliver it, and it'll bring
Simple
up
as that.
fourth down. Temple lining up to punt it away.
And
Like
that's
they
just the
missed
kind
the
of game
field
it's
goal.
been for this quarterback in this
We got a
offense.
bit
You
of a
got
complex
great-
play here, but make it work. Oh my gosh, he broke the tackle. What a play. What a play. What a play.
Fires to the
What a
right.
play.
It's complete. They'll get him down, but not before.
Why is my only coach suggestion speed option?
Great possession. It
That
all
was actually an
starts
insane
with a big
play, though,
completion
bro.
on a 2-minute drive. They'll get the momentum started in your direction.
Just
Oh my-
nosing into
is that
enemy
roughing passer?
territory at the 49. It's 1st and 10. To the air. It's Brock. Pocket starts to collapse. And the pass is incomplete, but the flag.
Play, you could see all the contact as the ball was in the air. You simply can't do it, and the referee's caught it.
Boy, as a
What a
defense, you
ball,
hate to
bro.
just hand out first downs on a penalty. Looking forward when you talk explosive plays. The defense finally able to make the stop.
That's
and that
touchdown.
big gainer on the last one has been threatening from inside the 10.
That was almost too easy.
Sweet feet keeping.
Alright, they got a field goal, I think. This game is technically possible. Not throwing checkdowns though. I'm out of... Oh, I don't think I'm gonna get touchdown. Yo, B,
And defensively, this is
Beat
exactly
'em.
what you want, right? You got the big lead, so you can play big zone coverages. Just keep the ball in front
yet
of you.
nowhere close, because B gets cooked every time.
You're going to win this
Alright.
game.
I wouldn't say that's the worst loss. If I hadn't thrown those 4 picks, then okay, this is insane. If I hadn't thrown those 4 picks, we might have won that game, and that's insane. The offensive line definitely needs work, though.
Goodness gracious, I guess I'm the only one that
27 completions, 41 attempts, 394 yards, 1 touchdown, 4 interceptions. 8 attempts, 6 yards. That's insane. Alright, level up. Where am I? I think the Heisman watch. Shadur Sanders. Ollie Gordon second. Quinshawn Judikins. Travis Hunter. And Carson Beck. Alright, we can upgrade this. O-line, definitely. Alright, we're advancing to week 2. I'm just gonna send this game. Alright, we're in Cummings' top 2 schools, but Boston College is just on his knee. Alright, cool, I don't really care. We're barely in there. Alright, we're still leading with Brandon Cook, which is huge. We're still first with Big Man. We gotta get up and film him. Oh, we center. That'd be very nice to get up with. Navy. Is Navy kind of? Alright, recruiting. I don't think we can do anything. Yep, can't sway. Can't hard sell, can't even soft sell. I can't DM him or anything. Contact. Oh, this guy's good. Barely in there, but they're not really. Alright, we got a gem here. I'm gonna send half. They're not up by much. And I guess I'll soft sell. Oh, because I used all 50. Okay. Oh, okay. Something with playing time. Something else with playing time. Oh my gosh, it's actually perfect. Time to get to work is perfect. A minus, A plus, B minus. Pitch step. And then I guess we'll offer Marshall a scholarship. And add him. Oh, that guy's good. But barely in it though. He might not be in the next time this year. when do I have so many hours? In the house. And then I'll offer Ruben a scholarship. Alright, we're gonna send to next week. I'm gonna play week 3 because we have recruits like that. Alright, we're in Freeman. Cummings! Oh, I don't care. We can't get Cummings now. It's one of the saddest things ever, bro. Level up, though. And teapots. Here's a guard team. Okay. Two or one. Marshall would probably be pretty easy. Barely in there. See that we win. We won. Wow. Holy moly. Well, where is Temple? I swear they're in the AAC. Oh, we're in American. 27-17. We didn't even need to step in. See how he's doing? Can't check stats anymore? Deal breaker for what? I already have him. He's slower now, okay. Alright. I have recruits. First, let's recruit. Alright, next week, but maybe we don't. Sad to see Cummings down. We do need a fullback. Oh, we're actually. I don't think we're gonna need to do much to. This guy's good. 3-star. DM him. Let me search Ultimedia. This guy's insane. At least for our team.